Hello, welcome viewers, and let's get started. Actually, in this video, I'm going to talk about the nature of quadratic equation, the nature of root of quadratic equation. Okay, let us proceed. When we talk about the nature of root of quadratic equation, we generate the idea of what? B squared minus 4ac. That is what comes in mind because that is what is going to help us in order to identify the discriminant of what we are trying to do. Okay, when you have an expression as what? Or an equation b squared minus 4ac greater or equal to 0, that expression is telling you that what you have gotten or what you have gotten is going to actually bring about two different roots, or is going to give you two real roots. Okay, when you have b squared minus 4ac greater than 0, that equation is also telling you that you are going to have two real roots or two distinct roots. And when we come to the c, we have b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. That equation is telling you that, brothers and sisters, that equation is actually not going to give you any real root, or is going to, that equation is going to give you what? An equal root when it is equal to what? 0. And when it comes to b squared minus 4ac, that equation is telling you that you are going to have a complex root. Okay, and a, B, and C can be factorized, but D cannot. And actually, I'm going to prove to you in the next videos to come why I'm saying this, or why I'm actually saying A, B, and C can be factorized. Okay, let's get an example to back what we are talking about. Okay, when we have a question as determine the nature of the root for 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, and want to find the nature of the root for this quadratic equation, what we need to do is that we need to know that we have an expression ax squared plus bx plus c. So I'm going to write the actual equation I'm having here down here. So I have my 3x squared minus my 2x plus 4. So at this side, I can see that my a will be equal to 3, my b will be equals to minus 2. We consider the sign, and my c is going to be what? 4. So I can say a equals 3, b equals minus 2, and c equals what? 4. Yes. So at this instant, what I'm going to do is that I am actually going to use the formula that will help me in order to find the nature of root of this quadratic equation. So, and we know that we are going to have b squared minus 4ac, where we know our a to be 3, our b to be what? Minus 2, and our c to be what? 4. So our b squared, that will be what? Minus 2 squared minus my 4, my a is what? 3, and my c is what? 4. So at that side, you can see what is actually going on over there. So minus 2 squared is the same as you multiply negative 2 with negative 2 again. So I'll get 4. Then my minus sign will come. 4 times 3 will give me what? 12. And 12 times 4 will give me what? 48. Okay. So at this side, the final result I'm going to get is what? Minus 44. Okay. So let's go back to this equation and see what is going to happen. You see, now you are going to actually identify why this different equations are on the board. So after you have gotten this, you are going to ask yourself, that is your result your result negative, or is your result greater or equal to 0? Is your result equal to 0? Is your result lesser than what? 0, or less than what? 0? So we can deduce from this question that our result is what? Minus 44. And we know that minus 44 is less than what? 0. So for this equation, the equation will have no real root or complex root. So per the result, the equation will have a complex root. So we have actually what? Identify the nature of the root. And we know that this one here is a tantamount to what? This one here is a tantamount to what? D. Thank you, viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Mathematics Frederick. And also you can visit my Facebook page, Ultimate Mathematics. My profile picture there at Facebook is Mathematical Formulas. My key sponsor is Ghostway Enterprise. You can locate Ghostway Enterprise in Nkwanta, the OT region. He deals in a lot of goods, a lot of stuff, cosmetics, and a whole lot. Buy things at affordable price. God bless you, and see you in class next time. Bye bye.